Hey, what's up, guys? It's Blake Haney with a bike check. Got a new frame, so I'm just gonna do a bike check for you guys. So I started off, I got the Colt Death Row V2 frame and the custom high gloss paint, baby blue cotton candy with the Colt sticker on there. Got the top and bottom gussets, integrated seat clamp, mid and integrated headset. Got the Colt Salvation top load stem. Had that for about a year. Love it. Got the hollow bolts and got the Colt headset. That's pretty new. Got the top racer on there, so it's just a little bit bigger. No spacers. Fly Montana 2 bars with the ODI grips and Colt bar ends. Fit Blade 2s. Got the BSD polished hub with the female axles. With the Alienation deviant rim, Primo spokes and nibbles, and the gland hubguard. Odyssey JC PCs. The bolts in there. Down to the Sabrosa bitchin' cranks. Like those, got the 2.5 pieces of cranks 48 spline in white. Colt member sprocket. Odyssey bottom bracket. Got that ugly yellow chain on there for right now because I snapped this other one that I was riding. Down to my back wheel, it's the same as the front, just different rims. The BSD back hub, the female axle, and polished. The Odyssey hazard light, Primo spokes and nipples. Getting it turned around there so you can see the logo. 9-tooth driver. Hub sound. And then Odyssey P-Lite tires, 8-kin 2.25, kind of like a dirt street mix. Love them. Hold up really well. I've only got one flat with them. S&M race top bolt, forgot to say that. And then my kink Sean Sexton seat with the Colt seat post. And I also have a pair of P10s, Perfect 10 S&M handlebars with Colt grips on them just to mess around with. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned. And thanks for subscribing and all that good stuff. So shout out to Loud BMX.